Welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, we will guide you on how to show news and interests on the taskbar in Windows 10. By following these simple steps, you can stay updated with the latest news and information right from your taskbar. Let's get started. Showing news and interests on the taskbar in Windows 10 allows you to have quick access to personalized news, weather updates, and other relevant information without the need for opening a browser or searching for it. Now let's dive into the details of each step. Step 1. Press the Start button located at the bottom left corner of your screen. This will open the Start menu. Step 2. Next, click on the Settings icon. It resembles a gear and can be found above the Power button in the Start menu. Step 3. In the Settings window, locate and click on the Personalization option. This will open the personalization settings for your Windows 10. Step 4. Once you are in the personalization settings, click on the Taskbar option. This will open the Taskbar customization options. Step 5. Scroll down in the Taskbar settings window until you find the News and Interests section. Step 6. Finally, under the Show News and Interests on the Taskbar option, toggle the switch on. This will enable the feature to display news and interests on your taskbar. And there you have it. You have successfully learned how to show news and interests on the taskbar in Windows 10. Stay updated and informed with the latest news and information right at your fingertips. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more Windows 10 tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.